guys, here we are at the Dollar Tree, and this is what's at the entrance. They brought in a whole bunch of canvases, so let's take a quick look. Okay, so they have that one, this one, that one says love. Let's see, these are all new. I like this one, it's really pretty. Let me see if I can take some of these down. These are the little kid ones with the little animals. That one's new. That's the mermaid tail. Okay, those are really pretty. Look at this one. I like that one. Let's see. I'm gonna take them down. Okay. They have some really nice ones for a baby room. So look at this one. This one says sweet baby. There's that barn one, or that house one I like. Let's see. That's a nice print. Enjoy life. I like that. What does that one say? But I have trusted in thy mercy. My heart shall rejoice in thy salvation. Psalm 13:5. That's nice. I'm really loving these. These are so cute. Decorated kids room.
This way, please, ma'am.
Okay, so we looked at some of these, but they did bring in a whole bunch of these. Let me see what these are. Okay, that's new. Let me see if I can get to the other ones. That one. I'm not weird. I am a limited edition. That's funny. Okay, so then they bought these mirrors back. That one and this kind. And then they have these. Aren't these pretty? These are tea light holders with the little wooden snowflake inside. So they have these. And then up here they have these guys. Okay, so farm to table. Back there they have that one that says blessed. Fresh eggs. This one here, farmers market, blessed, farmers market. So that's what we have in the entrance of the store. So then they have the over the chair covers, the snowman's hat. So over here we have some of these tinsel strands. Okay, and then we have some tinsel garland, and then on the bottom we have these Santa hats. This one says Merry Christmas. They have a couple of rows of those. Then they have these felt Santa Claus. And here's the snowman. Oh, look, they have the truck. They have a couple of kinds of trucks. I think we'll get there. Okay, and then here is the camper, season's greetings, and here is the tinsel wreath with the little bell, and then here is the bell. They have this antique gold, then the regular gold, and then in the back over there they have the red. And then these over here, the snowflakes in the white and in the blue. They have This House Believes in Santa. That's really pretty. And then they have Santa. This one is nice. I think these signs are new. Then they have that one, ho ho ho. This one's really pretty. Then they have Noel. And then they have the sleigh, Let It Snow. The joy. They're in the tag shape, Noel. And this one is really pretty, Let It Snow. Okay, and then you have these kind of signs here. Let It Snow, sledding, build a snowman, and jingle bells, White Christmas, oh ho, I'm really loving that. That's so sweet. These LED, are these LED? No, these are not LED. These are just the tinsel ornaments, and here is the hat. Here is the boot. Here's the snowman. That's the penguin. And so here are some tinsel ornaments. I think this one is new. Okay, these are new. And then there is the Merry Christmas snow boot, and there's the hat and the Christmas tree. These are really pretty. This is the 3-tier snowflake, and this one here is the silver, the white, and the blue. I'm loving that blue. Then you have the soldier. I like these. The penguin, and there is the Merry Christmas sign and the glitter and the reindeer. Then next to that you have Let It Snow. Then here's the tinsel truck. Look how cute they have the tinsel camper. That's really cute. Okay, and then these are the wooden ornament shapes. The ornament shape signs. That one says Let It Snow, and this one says Merry Christmas. And look, these tinsel trees are really pretty. So they come in silver, red, green, and gold. Then they have some more of these ornaments here. And look, they have them in the red truck. I don't know if you guys have seen them in the red truck. They're so adorable with that Christmas tree in the back. Okay, then they have, here's the Christmas tree. Okay, and then here's the, did I get that right? Let me see. So here's the, is that a church? That is so pretty. Look how huge they are. That is so nice. Okay, so then we have the Jingle Bell sign. I think we had this last year. And the Let It Snow. Then this is the one with the gnome. This is new. And the gnome is raised. Gnome for the holidays. Isn't that cute? All right, so then they have that Believe sign and the Ho 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 and Let It Snow. And so here is the 3-tier sign, Joy, Peace, and Noel. And then here is the Let It Snow. And these are the little shadow boxes. These are hanging. Okay, Let It Snow. And this one says Believe in the Magic of Christmas. I love that. This one says Home for the Holidays with the red truck. And it's the most wonderful time of the year. Warm wishes, and then season's greetings. Over here we have the light up bicycles. I love these. Then we have the bells, the large ones, and then we have the mini ones, and then we have the decorative bells right here, and then these are the pack of the 5 ornaments. So you have that reindeer and the gold, and there's the red, and I think this is silver. There it is. But that's not a reindeer. That's a bird. Then you have this. This is the peace sign. And this is the Believe. And look at this. The sleigh. There's the Christmas gift. And I'm just going to scan through the ornaments. Very pretty. So this Joy, and here's Noel, and here's the buffalo check and peace. And these are really nice too. The Merry Christmas, the Ho Ho Ho, and there are the ornaments along the bottom in the tube. These are so cute. They remind me of those antique ornaments. Here's a snowman. Very nice. Oh, look how nice. So you have the ornaments here in the 2-packs. You get 2 campers. And here's the red truck. And here is the candy cane. And this is a 4-pack. I don't know. Yeah, the Christmas tree we're taking off of these. So these were marked down to 50 cents. So this is what they're supposed to look like. There's another tree missing here. Okay, so let me scan those. Warm wishes, ho ho ho. Here's the truck and the Santa. There's the poinsettias. And then these are in the box. This is always so cute, isn't it? Santa. Let me see what else. Okay. So these are the hand towels, the fingertip towels. This says Believe. This says Joy, Love, and Peace. And there's the holiday greetings. Deck the halls. Believe. What's that gray one say? Winter wishes. They're so pretty. So now these down here are the placemats. So this one says the Merry Christmas with the tree. Let me put that over here. And then this one over here is the Santa. And these are the poinsettias. You can make nice pillows out of these. Okay. And yeah, that's what they have. Let me see what this one is. That's the Santa Claus. Okay, so then they have these towels over here. Dashing through the snow. 'Tis the season. North Pole. I think this one's new. Then you have the snowman. Merry Christmas and the poinsettia. Then you have the matching mitts. Oh, this one's new. Look how nice. I like that. Okay, so you have the poinsettias, you have the snowman, pot holders, the whole set, and there's the mitts and the gloves, the Santa, 'tis the season, look. Dashing through the snow is the truck. With the mitts and the gloves, all of that's matching. Very nice. Along the top over here, you have some plush animals, some reindeers, and some lighted hats. And here is the necklace, the light up necklace, and there are the cups. Aren't they cute? That's a reindeer squishy. That's a Santa squishy. That's adorable. Okay, so then those are the buckets, and here's some more reindeer. And here's a sloth. How cute. That is so adorable. Look at this one. Now what is this one? That is so adorable. Okay, so then you have these little sippy cups for the little ones. Okay, and then you have the light up. And here, it's like a sleigh-shaped bucket. And it says Merry Christmas. And there's some serving trays. I love this one because it looks like a candy. And I don't think I remember this one last year. Here's the platters along the bottom and the plastic containers. Here's the bells. Oh, look, the tie. The necklaces. And there's some more containers along the top. I love the platters. And here's some games and some glasses. Oh, and look at this necklace. That's so pretty. And then, let's see. Here's a memo pad, a jumbo eraser, some more platters. Here's some erasers. And here, guys, are the ice trays, the molds. This one is the bells. This one is the candy with the candy cane. And those are penguins. And look at the little mini baking cups. Aren't they adorable? And these are the regular ones. And I got these last year, Santa cookies. And look at these. Now these are new, this size. They're so adorable. So that's the truck with the tree. And then this one here is the gingerbread and the, I think that's hot chocolate. And then here are the doilies. They're so pretty. And this color here, guys, a plastic container with a handle, I think that's new. And they have some more along the bottom there. So what are these? Hopping toy. Okay. Then we have some socks. So we have this one here, that one, that one. Look how pretty these are. Ho, ho, ho. They're so cute. Okay, so thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to look at their Christmas decor, and I'll see you in the next video.